Well, let's start beans. We need to get all the stuff. All right then. Here we go. Oh yes, I know it's been a while. I forgot to disengage the park. Here we go. Okay, job one, done. Pick the head up. Okay, we're up all the way. And we get to the field. Okay, so we're starting at the home farm. We are going to make the south half active. So we said we need to go field. Oh, there it is right there, south half. Straight track. Okay, so all... Oh, that doesn't look like the right head on this machine. Equipment, header. Looks like we are still... Yeah, we don't want that. Oh, okay. So... Usually, instead of screwing around, I just shut this down. I'll turn it back on, and then it'll realize the head is hooked up. It's supposed to realize as soon as you connect it, but it doesn't always work that way. And here we go. It's funny, it knew my bean head was in the field view, but not in this. Still didn't do it. Oh wait. Yep, there it is. Boom, 30 feet. So there we are. Okay, we need to go back to guidance. We're gonna be straight track. We're gonna go to a different page. Go to this page is what I like. Let that boot up. This is wrong. We want beans. Now this is wrong. Of course it is. Oh, why? Population, we don't want population, we want yield, so let's go home, settings, devices, we're connected, this is good, go home. Alright, hang on a minute, we need to get things figured out here. Okay. Okay, and we're gonna go. Next one will be in gear 2, parking brake off. Okay. take it slow for a moment, just kind of get things going. So we're just started, obviously. We're starting to yield calibration here, so we're going to drive to this side and back to the other, unloading the buggy, and make sure that this weight and the buggy weight stay the same. And if they don't, then we got to tell it that, and then it's going to go through another calibration procedure. So here we go. 2022 is underway. Harvest. What did we get there? We got a nice little pile of dirt. There we are. Hole. There she goes. Pile of dirt over there too. Some pretty good soybeans. We finally got things calibrated. Can't complain. Hopefully the rest of this field goes like this. And yeah, we'll just kind of keep you posted here. So we spent the first 20 acres calibrating the buggy, calibrating the combine, just make sure everything's happy. So we finally got to where we were happy. I try to get as close as possible. It's nice having a scale on the buggy, that's for sure. We can double check throughout the field. Beans are coming in. So far, they're going well. So this variety is pretty tall, lengthy, and stringy, and the stalks aren't 100% dead. So you can see we got wrapping of the reel. So every once in a while I've had to come out and pull those off. So we're gonna go do that. Quite a bit bigger hole than the 500 foot buggy. Got lots of room. And we're definitely liking that front hole. Nice buggy auger on that buggy. That's a lot nicer. Okay, the last strip. It's 48 acres, then we're going to decide on what field we're going to go to next. You can see we got a little bit of a wrap there. It's been on there for the last 3 rounds. I'm just praying it doesn't get any bigger. It could be okay. Other than that, pretty good beans here. Pretty happy with how this field went. We're going to get the full weight as soon as we finish up here. I'm going to take one with the scales and just double check, and then we'll actually see what the yield was. Last little bit, and Wes is gonna clean my reel. Oh, she's a little tight, so we're just gonna sneak down this road here. I'm just right across the road as my other field. Usually I don't leave the head on, but there's actually no place to put it on over there, and like I said, it's only 100 feet across the road, so we're gonna be in good shape. It just takes a little bit of MacGyver, and good thing it's just 30 feet, and you can tilt it. Everybody say hi, Pete. He's doing the same thing, sneaking down. We'll let him go first. Okay, I'm shutting you off until we get across. Here we go, no big deal. We scooted in. Well, hopefully those beans keep running like that. Okay, so I just dumped into Owen for the first dump of this field. And we're a little bit light on the combine by 16 bushel. That's not too bad, so we're pretty close. The other field averaged 60 right on the schnoz, so that was nice. The whole year can go like that. And we'll see how this field goes. Okay, well this concludes it for the small 23 acres. We're gonna get the head cart, we're gonna head down and start another 100. And just like that, we are gonna rock and roll to the next one. It is only 4:39. It's not too bad for the day so far. Let's roll. Oh, it's a lot nicer going down the road with no head. Just like that, we have the head, and we will make her straight. Once I've got PTO, they'll just click in the hydraulics and the locks, and away we go. Just like that, we're going again. I really hope this is going to be a nice, uneventful day, no breakdowns, short buddy, just a nice first day of harvest. First dump. Well, it is 7 o'clock and it's starting to get tough. So that's all we're gonna have for tonight. So didn't get any drone footage or anything fancy, but we will get into that. Don't you worry. But just a nice little first day starting, no big issues, just the way we like it. So you guys have a good one. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm gonna go blow this thing off, put her in the shop, and that's a night. Peace.